Hey guys, you're in a nutshell with me, Ina. I love this story that we're gonna present to you today. Okay, alam naman natin, many have tried maybe applying, to move here to Canada at hindi nagiging successful sometimes. Minsan guys, alam niyo, wag niyong dibdibin yan. Consider it as, maybe you are being led somewhere else. Diba? Maybe Canada's not for you. And I think that is the story we're gonna hear, yung lesson na matututunan natin dito sa ating guest. Siya po ay nangarap mag-Canada, okay, nag-apply dito. Somewhat failed, hindi dahil sa kanila, pero nagkaroon siya ng problema sa kanilang consultant. Alam niyo na, nangyayari talaga din yan. And now, he ended up, with his family in the US and are now happy there, no? So, ang kukwento niya nga sa atin, kumbaga, sometimes you are being redirected. Diba? Kung hindi ka naging, halimbawa, successful sa akala mong gusto mo, diba? Anyway, diba? Welcome, Arnold Booker! Thank you so much
Yes.
for being here. Hi, Arnold!
Yeah, hi Miss Ina. Thank you sa mga viewers nyo. Good afternoon, good morning, or good evening, wherever you are.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
All
Thanks.
right. No, thank you, no. So Arnold is in Indiana in the US.
Yes.
Okay, baka familiar si Arnold sa inyo, guys, ha? Ako kasi, nung ka-email ko siya, sabi ko, parang this name sounds familiar. Okay, naglaro po for sa basketball, nako. UE, panahon ni James Yap, teammate niya si James Yap in UE.
Yeah.
And then, saka na team professionally,
Go Red
Arnold.
Warriors. Professionally kasi back in the Philippines when they said professionally is PBA.
O, hindi lang
Oh,
naman PBA,
yeah,
ngayon dami ng
I
ibang
won't be able
liga.
to make it to the PBA, but yeah, some of the previous leagues then before, like yung PBL, before wala pa yung D-League that they have now, the PBA D-League. The PBA D-League before was the PBL. So I'll be able to
Oo.
play in the PBL for a couple of
Oo, akala
conferences
mo
and
meron
the
akong
other leagues,
picture.
like MPBL before now. There's also like MPBL before it was NBA, and then I also be able to play also yung mga ganong liga before. Now they
Yan.
called MPBL.
Okay, so yung mga basketball fans, akala mo, nahanap ko to. Tignan mo, nahanap
Yeah, that
ko.
was in Dubai. Yeah,
Oo,
that's
Dubai
in
pa.
Dubai.
Oo, mamaya pag-uusapan natin, no? Si Arnold rin kasi, bago
Yeah.
siya napunta ng US, galing siyang Dubai. So, you had a basketball, career, basically, in the
Mhm.
Philippines. Pero
Yeah,
20 years ka na rin palang abroad, ano?
exactly, Ma'am Ina. Yeah,
Una, sige, briefly, anong ginawa mo sa Dubai? Doon yung una mong, parang job overseas, gano'n ba?
yeah.
Okay.
Job overseas, slash basketball overseas. Yeah.
Ganun ba?
Yeah.
Basketball talaga.
Yeah.
Alright.
Pumunta kami doon, pinapunta kami doon to play basketball at the same time to work may hotel kasi doon, like I also remember na mayroon doon mga tournaments, mga Filipino tournaments na talagang sikat din sa mga Pilipinas, yung mga ibang players sa Pilipinas pumupunta din doon just to play. Some
Mm.
people go to Saudi. Me, I went to Dubai. Yeah. So
Oh,
na-invite kami doon na maglaro sa team nila, and then yun na. Yung contract was 3 years. And then, hindi ko namamalayan. Naka 17 years na pala ako doon.
grabe, ang
Bigli lang.
tagal
And
mo
then,
rin.
pero multiple companies din yun. After ko doon sa previous, like yung unang nagpapunta sa amin doon, tinapos ko lang yung contract for 3 years. And then I moved to another company. And then I moved to another company. Yeah.
Oo, wow, ang tagal, 17 years, no?
17 years, yeah.
Okay, I assume you considered leaving kasi common, no, na concern sa mga kababayan natin sa Dubai yung mahirap maging permanent resident doon, basically, no? There's no
Not,
such thing. Paano ba
yeah,
doon?
basically not mahirap. It
Oh,
won't happen.
it's never gonna happen.
It's never gonna happen. Even though
Yun.
you married to a Emirati, even though you get married to Emirati, as I said, hindi ka mare-resident or magiging what do you call that, citizen doon. The
Oo.
kids, like yung halimbawa, nanganak ka, or yung mga anak mo, automatic Emirati, but you never be.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, so ito na, pupuntahan na natin itong Canadian journey, if
Yeah.
we can call it that, ano?
Yeah,
So,
and then Miss Ina, for the records, no, sa
oh,
mga nanonood sa inyo, no.
oh,
Kumbaga, hindi lang baka kasi iniisip nila, or maybe ako lang nag-iisip na baka ang tinatakal nyo lang or ini-interview lang dito is yung mga success stories ng mga, kababayan natin na gusto mag-Canada. Well, guys, ito, failure to be a Canadian or to be a migrate, to migrate in Canada, but I'm here. Ini-interview tayo ni Ina.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero hindi
Yeah.
naman failed eh. Iba, medyo failed in a different way. Sige, ikwento mo. Una sa lahat, gusto mo talaga initially from Dubai sa Canada sana, no? Bakit?
Yeah.
And then how did you work towards, how did you try getting into Canada?
Yeah. Well, sinabi mo na gusto namin from Dubai is to Canada talaga right
Oo.
away. Well, hindi naman talaga gustong-gusto. Well, because my dad is from here. I have also, I have also a petition with my dad. Pero
Oh,
parang
okay.
naisip namin na dati kasi before it was like I think this easy access. Canada was the easy access
Okay.
to migrate. Parang may mandaming program before the express
Kala mo.
entry. Yeah. So I was thinking na ang dali ah. And then parang iniisip namin magpa-family tayo, lumalaki yung family natin para sa mga bata kasi dito wala talagang kumbaga sa Dubai that time hindi ka talaga mape-permanent, 'di ba? Hindi ka nga
Mhm.
makakabili ng bahay doon eh. Kasi
Okay.
bibili ka ng bahay is not parang hindi practical eh.
Mhm.
So kasi hindi ka naman magiging permanent doon,
Yeah.
'di ba? In some reason. Tapos, yun, inisip namin na para sa mga bata, tapos maganda pa yan, maganda yung, 'di ba, yung program nila para sa mga bata eh may allowance,
Okay.
yung, 'di ba,
Oh,
yung health insurance diyan, yung medical diyan is very nice, talagang top of the line. Kumbaga libre
okay.
sa ganito, ganoon. And then, yun nga, mape-permanent ka. Depende na lang sa pupuntahan mong pathway, di ba? May permanent, di ba?
Oh.
Work permit. So nag-try kami ng gano'n. Sabi ko sa wife ko, why not? Sabi ko gano'n, you're a nurse, so why don't we try it?
Oh,
Ang
wife
hindi
is a
namin,
nurse.
yeah.
Okay.
Ang hindi namin na anticipate is yung ng Canada before or even now, I don't know, yung sa nursing, sa Filipino nursing, pag dyan ka parang lower tayo or we're down 2 years sa nila, sa studies nila.
May
So when
kulang.
you, yeah,
Oh,
may kulang sa academic, I don't know. So when you get there, hindi ka pa talaga pwede maging nurse. You have to
yes.
study 2 more years for you to
Mhm,
be able to
mhm.
get the Canadian licensure or something, right?
Okay.
Right? So yun nga, pagdating namin dyan, so ito na nga, nagsik kami, may kaibigan ako sa Dubai, nakakalaro ko din. They went there. So I contact him, chat, kamustahan, and then he was like, why don't you try Dubai, Canada? So they give me, or he gave me the contact number, contact person sa yung ginamit nilang agency.
Agency or
Yeah,
consultant, isang
consultant.
person.
Yeah, like something like that. I don't know. I'm not sure with that. So,
Oh, sige.
pinuntahan namin, kinontak namin, inano kami, or parang inassess kami kung ano yung papers namin, kung hanggang saan aabot. So sabi, sige, pwede yan, ganito, pwede yan. So yun na, nag-start na. Ang pinibigay pa sa aming program that time is yung uh, provincial nominee. Provincial nominee
PNP.
ba?
Okay.
Kasi nahanapan, dito hindi pwede.
Parang express entry yan,
Oh.
bale, sa
Tapos sa
inyo.
express entry, nilodge din nila kami ng doon, ng parang ng application sa express entry.
Alright.
And din yun nga, tapos hanggang sa tumatakbo yung processing namin within us and the agency only. Wala pa kaming alam about sa Canada kung ano nang ginagawa nila or what. So kami lang, yun lang, ganun. And then nalaman namin nung huli, sinabi sa amin na yun nga, yung nurse is hindi pa ubra kasi nga kailangan mo pa ng 2 years, sabi sa wife ko.
Okay.
Pero nagbabayad na kami, so they divert us sa another pathway. So yun nga, lumalabas na yung mga iba hanggang sa sinasabi na pero yung continuous na, nagbabayad na kami. Naguhulog na kami monthly, minsan weekly pa, pag may sahod, bayad. So hanggang sa hindi namin namamalayan is ang laki na nababayad namin, almost matapos na namin talaga yung nila, yung amount nila, yung sinabi nila sa aming amount. Hanggang sa na-notice namin na parang wala naman nangyayari. Taon na yung umaandar, parang taon na walang nangyayari. Tapos hanggang sa malaman namin biglang alam na pala nila na hindi talaga kami uubra. And then sabi sa amin, kung gusto nyo, ganito lang gawin natin. Hingi kayo ng certificate sa ganito, sa ganyan, or sa Pilipinas, or the experience, or ganito, blah, blah, blah. And then we submit that. So,
Anong certificate? What is
that's
that?
what I'm trying to tell you that. Basically, they want to, falsificate our documents.
Ha? Pumunta ka
And
recto, ganun gusto niya gawin?
that's what they are telling us.
Oh my
And then
God.
me and my wife were like, no, we're not like that. I mean, pumunta kami ng Dubai, pumunta ako ng Dubai, kinuha namin yung anak ko. How hard is that to get our daughter that time? Pero we do the process the right way. There's a lot of there
Oh,
like a fixer, something like that. Fixer you have to pay. No, we didn't do that. We go through the right way. And this is what we are believing and this is what we're thinking. So sabi namin
oh
na
wow.
hindi over yan, hindi over yan. So hinayaan lang namin, sabi na pero sinabi namin directly dun sa dun sa agency nga na ay hindi po namin gagawin, hindi namin gagawin sabi namin. Kung ano lang
Oo.
po, baka po meron pa. Sabi, oh pwede yan, may kaibigan ba kayo, may kamag-anak sa Manitoba? Sabi pa nga Manitoba, pwede yan, pwedeng may points yan, may dagdag points yan. Under kayo dun sa parang provincial nominee, blah
Naku.
blah blah. So, yun na, sige, sabi, sige, okay do. So, ano pa rin kami, naghuhulog pa rin kami. And then parang sinabi namin, walang nangyayari. They don't even contact us for a follow-up or something. Ini-stop na namin yung bayad. And then, sige na, hindi na lang namin, pati nga yung mga papers namin, hindi na namin kinuha sa kanila.
Oh, I have
As in,
questions. Teka muna.
stop paying, hindi na lang namin tinuloy. Yun
Oo,
na lang.
nakakaloka. Teka muna. How long kayo pinaasa? Parang ganun nangyari. How long kayo pinaasa? If you don't mind also sharing with us, how much ang nakuha sa inyong pera?
Well, how long pinaasa, to be honest, di ko na ma-recall, but it's more than a year or 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah, so hanggang sa sinabi na namin sa okay, let go, like wala na lang nangyari. Yung amount na binayad namin, it's hard. I mean, hard-earned money. We're not that wealthy family. I mean, we're just
Mhm.
working day by day. That's why, yun nga, yung sinasabi lang, hard-earned money, tapos mapupunta lang sa ganun. Well, kasi kami,
Oo.
para sa amin na lang din, at tayo nangarap tayo Kumbaga, sumugal tayo dyan So, wala.
Oo.
Yun na lang. Kaya nga, yung
Nice.
sinasabi ko rin sa'yo sa di ba? Nag-usap tayo, yung IELTS.
Oh.
9 years na yung asawa ko kung IELTS lang. Yung English exam, 9 years na siya. The fact na hinihingan pa siya ng malaking band, mataas na band ng mga agencies. And she'll be able to give those. Kumbaga,
Grabe, no?
dapat sa English, sa reading ganito ka, sa writing ganito ka, sa speaking ganito
Kuha
ka,
niya lahat.
kuha niya lahat like 8.5,
Oo,
9,
oo.
9, 8.5. Pero lahat 'yun siguro naka 4 take siya, Miss Ina. 4 or 5. Nai-expire po kasi yan parang 2 years lang yata ang IELTS
Bakit sobrang nakaapat naman?
Kaya
Ba't
nga, kasi nga
nakaapat?
may-expire. Yung isa, malapit na-expire pa. Hindi, siyempre, kasama na yun sa US, yun yata yung pang-apat niya,
Oh,
pang-lima yung kasama na yun sa US. Pero
okay.
sa Canada, like 4 or 3 siya
I see.
na-expirean.
Okay,
Yung
tapos
sa first agency nga po namin, ini-stop na lang namin. As in, wala
okay.
na lang.
Ang isa ko pang tanong diyan, were you even sure that they submitted applications on your behalf? May profile ka ba? Alam mo ba, meron ka bang dokumento? Or
That's what
umasa
we
ka
don't
lang
know.
na basta kung ano
Umasa,
sinasabi
tama.
sa'yo?
Yun yung word, umasa.
Ano
Umasa lang po
nangyari?
kami talaga sa agency.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
And by that time, talagang wala. Baby dreamer na, sige, para kumbaga impulsive na, sige, go, let's go, bayad tayo.
Yeah.
And
Like
we
hindi niyo
stop.
alam hanggang ngayon, hindi mo alam kung talagang meron ka nag-e-exist na profile dun o ano, gano'n ba?
Hindi na rin namin inalam. Pero I think naman, yun doon sa second agency namin or consultant is, I think naman, nilodge nila,
Oo.
or sinubmit.
Wait, what happened to the second consultant and
Yeah,
it
yun nga,
didn't work
ganun din.
out?
Referral pa rin ng kaibigan namin. Kaibigan din namin sa Dubai. Kasi talaga kaibigan, mababait na tao,
Mhm.
mga kaibigan namin. They'll be, this consultancy able to bring them there to Canada. Now they are in Saskatchewan, I guess.
Oh,
Yeah,
pero it
nandiyan na
didn't
sila.
work
Tapos yun
out
nga,
for you guys.
nirefer nila ulit sa amin. Well, ano naman kumbaga legit na I mean, decent na company. Sinabi sa ito, puntahan nyo. Pinuntahan na ulit namin sa Dubai, nagpa-assess ulit kami. Ayun pa rin yung sinabi. Knowing na mga kabayan pa yung mga doon na nakakausap namin.
Mm.
Pinipili talaga namin is yung kabayan. Maraming mga ibang
Naku
lahi.
po,
Merong
naku
mga
po.
ibang lahi doon na pero syempre, para mas maganda yung communication, mas malinaw, mas madali. So
Mm.
pinipili na rin namin yung kabayan. And yun din yung ni-refer niya, may kabayan doon, ganito, gano'n. Di pinuntahan pa rin namin. And yun, nagpa-assist kami.
Ay,
Hanggang sa hiningan na ulit kami ng document, they were like saying na, oh, sige, pwede to, ganito gawin natin, gawin natin.
oo,
Tapos, yun, ito yung payment, ito yung
oo.
So, for us, talagang nakikita naman namin, since may referral pa na nandiyan na rin sa Canada, so nakita naman namin na, sige, why don't we give it a try again? Kasi ito naman yung gusto natin talaga
Mm.
Pero by that time, even before that time, I mean, yeah, that second consultancy, you know, my petition from my dad here is ongoing na rin, no?
Yeah.
Naka-receive na rin ako
Oh.
ng approval about that. So, pero sabi sa amin, sige, tuloy natin, Canada tayo ulit, Canada. So, yun, nilatag sa amin yung proposal nila, yun din yung payment and all the stuff.
Nagbayad na naman kayo.
Ma'am, cash, binayad namin
Oh
para
my.
makatipid ng
Talagang
konti.
parang hindi kayo ano, no?
Walang
Talagang
kadala-dala to be,
pinatawad nyo na yung nakaraan. O sige, isa
yeah,
pa.
just let go of the past and move on forward. Yun na lang sa amin eh. Parang, tapos may ano, yun nga, mayroon silang promotion, like, pag nagbayad kayo ng ganitong terms, ito mababawas. Pag ganitong terms, ito
Oo.
tataas. Pag ganito, tataas. Pero pag finul nyo, malaki yung matitipid nyo, mababawasan ng ganito. So, sabi namin, malaki rin yung matitipid natin kung sakasakali, kung i-full payment natin.
Oh
By
my
that
God.
time, sabi ko, sige, tara, kuro tayo ng konti. Kumbaga, kuro tayo ng konti sa ipon. Binayaran namin ng full. And that full is not a small amount. I mean, so,
Ayaw mo i-share just to give us an idea?
kasi by that time, dirhams ang ano eh, dirhams ang
Oh,
usapan
dear.
nun eh.
Okay, sige.
I'm not sure, don't remember. So, I
Hayaan
think,
mo na. O sige, sige,
yeah,
sige, sige.
8,000 dirhams, more than that, like that.
Oh
So,
my
yun nga, no, parang kung iisipin lang din talaga namin is, ano kami, tapos syempre, i-convert mo sa, kung i-convert mo sa Philippine peso yun, together
Oo.
with the first agency or consultant, it was like 1 million or something. So,
Nasama lang
yun.
loob niyo talaga.
Exactly. So, yun
Oh
na nga,
my
no? So,
God.
yeah.
Wa-
To cut a long story short, yun nga, nagbayad kami ng buo. And then again, we wait na naman. We wait na naman for, I don't know what they're doing or what. Hindi namin din namamalaya na sila rin pala naghihintay na lang. Wala na silang ginagawa, naghihintay na lang. Tapos hanggang sa, yun na nga, naging, ano na, no, naging constant na yung, hindi na nagiging parang, yung update nila sa amin, yung, "Oh, kamusta kayo, ganito, ito na yung nangyayari sa papers niyo, ito na yung nangyayari." Nawala na yun, parang saglit lang talaga nila ginawa sa amin yun. Kami na lang
Oo.
kami nagfa-follow up, kami na lang kami
Alam mo.
nagfa-follow up, kami na kami nagfa-follow up hanggang sa ako naramdaman ko na siguro ano, nagbayad tayo ng consultancy to wait.
Yeah, yeah.
Binigay natin sa kanila, they submitted, they said they submitted, okay. They submitted, but what they are doing after that, wait, di parang they are doing what we are
Dapat
doing, the same thing.
ina-update kayo eh.
Yeah, yun na nga. So parang
Oo.
sabi ko, parehas lang tayo ng ginagawa. Naghihintay lang tayo, at the same time sila din naghihintay. Di dapat pala tayo na lang gumawa din. 'Di ba?
Eh,
Nag-DIY tayo, what by the time talaga, as in busy talaga. Hindi namin ano lang
oo.
mag-aralin pa or what pa, wala. Kung easy access, kumbaga sa amin easy access. May consultancy pwedeng tumulong, Filipino naman, yun talaga yung tiwala namin, binibigay namin, yung Filipino naman,
Yeah. I
as
know.
a Christian din, as a Christian, we are like, we know and we learn how to, baga ibigay yung fully trust mo. Kung talagang makikita mo naman sincerity ng tao, why not? So, yeah, ganun pa rin kami talaga. So, at the same time, madali kami maloko, pero siguro not now, not anymore.
Not anymore. Wag na. Itigil
Yeah.
mo na yan.
Yeah.
Pero oh
Yeah.
my gosh, medyo, I mean, I'm sorry you guys went through that, ano.
Yeah.
Did it
So, yun
affect,
nga.
did it
Yeah.
affect your perception of Canada? Na parang ayaw mo na sa Canada, nagalit ka ba sa Canada? Alam mo yun, because of that experience that you had. How did you feel about it?
Well, yung sa word na nagalit, I don't think so that's the exact word. Pero
Mhm.
yung the more na medyo parang inisip na, ang hirap pala ng Canada, ang selan pala nila. Yun yung pinaka-word, ang selan
Oo.
nila pagdating sa mga, applicants. Kasi dati sinasabi namin, ang laki ng Canada, konti tao. They are
Mm-mm.
inviting people to come over and to migrate there. Kasi ang laki, kahit ngayon, ang laki pa ng space kung titignan mo sa map or what, yung Canada is talagang napakalaki, konti tao. Ngayon nga, sabi ko, ba't sila nagbabawas? Konti nga dati. Punta sila ng papunta, inaano na. Tapos ngayon, nakikita ko yung mga balita, no? Dito sa mga pinapalabas nyo
Yeah.
rin. Na, they have a lot of changes. They have a lot of, trying to ease people na, alis muna kayo, magbawas tayo, and then wag muna tayo magpapasok basta-basta. Pero dati
Yeah.
talagang, yun yung thinking namin, na madaling
What
pumasok
year
kasi
was
nga.
that, by the way? Around what year?
I think the first one was, if I'm not mistaken, like 2009.
Oh, ang tagal
The
na
first one was
pala, no?
2009. Tayo, medyo matagal-tagal na rin.
Oh,
2009.
ano ba
Yeah,
yan?
I think
Ano?
2009 kasi nandun na yung anak namin, yung panganay namin sa Dubai.
Oh,
Nakuha namin yung panganay namin sa Dubai was 2009, like that, 2008. Yeah.
oo.
So that's yun,
Oh,
nag-start na kami mag-try ng ano. Ayun
nakakainis,
nga, no,
no?
yung sa pangalawa nga, if I can continue, sa pangalawang agency nga, ayun na lang din, hinayaan na lang din namin. Ang problema lang din talaga is kinash namin, which is we cannot
Oh,
ask for a refund.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
wala, hinayaan lang namin. Well, you know, I can tell also to our viewers, no, sa viewers nyo na all agencies or consultant agencies, I might say they are legit. Okay, they are
Oy, not
legit.
all, alam mo merong talagang masama ang mga intensyon,
Oh
nakakainis
yeah, maybe
din
maybe yung sa
talaga.
mga individual, maybe sa mga individual, pero pag
Oo,
sa mga companies talaga, they are legit. Nagiging scam lang sila if yung pag wala na nangyayari sa application nyo. Pag yung they think and they know na wala na to, hopeless na to. But they are not telling to the clients. Hindi nila sasabihin yun. Di ba?
mhm.
Parang yun, dun sila nagmumukhang scam or what. Pero
Ay naku.
for me talaga, pagka yung mga ganyang company, kasi LLC, like
Hindi,
legit,
to
legit
me
talaga sila.
oo, to me,
Yeah.
alam mo yun, it's also defrauding people if pinapaasa ka nila sa alam nila
Mhm.
already early on na
Yeah.
wala, eh.
Yeah. Pero kasi
Di
hindi
ba,
naman mangyayari
pinagkakakitaan
sa
ka
lahat
lang
eh.
talaga nila na alam nilang wala kang chance pero kukunin na nila yan.
Yeah. Kasi nga,
Kukunin
you're a
nila pera
business to
mo,
them. Yeah.
oh, tapos hindi nila bibigay 100% nila sa iyong
No.
application.
No.
You know, it's not fair.
Especially, ang mas malala pa no, from the start na they know that you don't have any chance or what.
Mhm, mhm.
Pero they
Pero
continue
feeling ko
to,
nga, you could have found a way. But anyway, the past is the past. O
I
sige,
know.
Arnold.
Yeah, yeah.
Ay, nako, mag-move on na tayo. Grabe, naka 20 minutes na tayo dito sa part pa lang na to. By the
Yeah.
way, before we move to your journey in the US, guys, meron din pong YouTube channel si Arnold. Okay, he's just
Yeah.
starting his
Sorry.
channel. Ito yan. Let's follow him, di ba? What an interesting
Wow,
story.
thank you.
Tignan nyo, okay? Si Arnold Booker, ayan, no, buhay niya naman sa Canada. Oy, congrats, ha. Tinan mo, nagpapagawa ka na ng bahay pala dyan, ha.
Yeah. Kaya nga,
Oh.
baka by the time na mag-visit kayo rito, ready na yan. There's always room for
Mag-visit
you.
ako, no?
Yeah, hindi,
Okay,
malapit
okay.
lang Chicago sa amin. If you decided to go to Jedge or
Oy, hi,
Andrea
Jedge!
Jedge.
Andrea
Yeah.
Jedge. Oo
Hi,
nga.
shout out Andrea Jedge. Yeah,
Okay.
you
O,
can
yan
come
na
over
guys, sa
too.
YouTube channel ni Arnold, meron din siya. Follow
Yeah,
nyo.
please subscribe.
Okay, ano
Maraming
tawag
salamat
dito?
even though starting my YouTube channel is small channel. Napaunlakan niyo talaga ako.
Ay,
Salamat.
naku ba? Ano ka ba? O, sige,
Ang
puntahan na natin
pinagsisisihan
yung
ko pa nga,
US. Ha?
ang pinagsisihan ko pa nga bakit hindi ako nag-vlog sa Dubai. Dubai is a
Oh,
beautiful
why not,
country.
ano? O,
Yeah,
di
yeah.
bale.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, eto na. So, nag-fail ang iyong attempt to move to Canada.
Yeah.
Kailan na-approve yung petition mo? And ano ang
From my
naging
dad.
mindset mo na, alam mo siguro nire-redirect ka ni Lord dito sa
Yeah.
US pala, no?
Mm-hmm. Well,
Kailan yun, no?
na-approve ang petition ko from my dad. It was 2015.
Oh,
Pero, yeah, just to set a record here, hindi kami nakarating dito through my dad.
oh,
Yung karating kami dito through my wife. She got work here. Yeah. Yeah, she got like they got EB3, like immigrant visa, permanent. Yeah. Di ba nga
oh,
nag-open yung nursing dito sa US? So she grabbed that again nung 2000, that was 2000, yeah. Parang yun lang
oh,
pagkatapos ng failure namin sa Canada, pagkatapos ng yun nga sa agency na yun, there's a time na there's an instance na nakausap niya yung ate niya sa California. Nasabi na, "Uy, Valin, open ulit ang current ulit ang US, ang Pilipinas para sa immigrant visa EB3 current ulit." Kasi ang tagal na nun eh. Ang tagal na nasara nun o ba nag-retro eh.
oo.
Parang ngayon nga naka-retro na naman eh. So
So,
that
ano,
from 2000, I think open current yung Pilipinas to go here, to move here sa mga nurses. She never kumbaga nagsayang ng oras. Even a
oo,
minute. Yun, nag-start siya agad mag-process ng for exam, for NCLEX.
NCLEX.
Yeah,
Oo,
nag-start siya agad mag-process noon. After nila mag-usap, nag-usap kaming dalawa, why don't we try? Sabi ko, yeah, of course, for sure. You have my 100%
yeah.
support.
Oo,
So yun,
actually,
nag-start ulit
no?
siya. Mm.
It could have been faster. Talaga, kung nag-NCLEX si Mrs., no? Pero I guess that's how you really wanted Canada at that time, ano?
Yeah, at that time, before
Oh,
that.
okay.
Before
So,
that.
anong status niyo ngayon sa US pala? So, pumasok si Mrs. pala through work? Anong
Yeah.
status niyo ngayon?
We're immigrants. All the nurses that come in here is immigrants.
Oh, ganun ba? Sorry.
Yeah.
Guys, sa mga viewers, hindi ako familiar sa US immigration na pagpasensyahan
Yeah.
niyo na.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, so how many years has it been? And now that you look back about what you went through dyan sa Canada, ano ang pakiramdam mo ngayon? How are you guys there?
Oh no, we're here. Like we're living a life. I mean, Canada now is just a neighboring country to us, and we can have this access to go there anytime, whenever, wherever we want.
Yeah.
Especially now, it's just a drive away, and
Yeah.
every time, like I
Do
told
you
you, no,
visit? Do you
no
visit
what?
Canada?
I mean, Canada is my next favorite country now. Yeah.
Hindi na masama loob mo.
No, I mean, it never been. I mean, siguro sa ano nila, sa immigration nila. But
Ah,
in Canada itself, no, never been. Canada is a beautiful country.
it is?
And talagang siya, sabi ko nga, bukod sa Dubai or sa UAE, Canada is my next one. Yeah.
Okay. So,
And knowing the fact na nandyan yung brother-in-law ko, kuya ni
mm.
Mrs. Then malapit lang,
Oh,
Ontario lang sila. So that we can drive talaga from here.
nice.
Yeah.
Okay. And sa mga curious, so ano nang ginagawa mo dyan sa Indiana? Si Mrs. Nurse? Ikaw, ano
Mm.
nang work mo dyan?
I work in a pharmaceutical company with delivering staff, with delivering medicines to be exact, to
Ah,
the sa mga facilities here. Parang nasa medical field din ako. Kulang na lang sa akin mag-scrub suit.
oo.
Yeah. Yun nga,
Oo.
delivering stuff to sa mga assisted living, long-term facility, yung mga ganyan.
Oo. And
So ano pa rin,
congratulations.
ang
So,
mga nakakasalamuha ko pa rin is mga nurses, PT,
oo.
doctor sometime. Yeah.
Oo, and congratulations, sabi ko nga 'no, yung latest episode kasi ni Arnold, aba, okay, nagpapagawa ng bahay sila doon.
Yeah.
So, after so many years in Dubai, sabi mo nga basically hindi ka makakuha ng bahay doon.
Oo.
How does it feel? Do you feel na, all these years pala 'no, of trying to get into Canada, talagang hindi ka pinapapunta because you were being redirected to the US pala 'no?
Yeah. Yeah. It feels good. I mean, we feel blessed. By
Mm.
the time din naman, we always feel blessed na we're here. At least we have a roof on top of our
Yeah.
heads. We have food on our table to provide for our family, for our kids. Yun nga. So, parang sabi ko, if there's another chance, to feel kasi, guys, God is very generous. You don't
Mm.
be have to settle for that. You think that you have there, okay, we're driving my dream car, we're living in this kind of apartment, we're living in this kind of house. Man, don't settle for that. God is so generous. If there's another chance for you to experience His generosity, I mean, why don't you grab it? Kung
Mhm,
meron parang opportunity dito, you think na, oh, blessing talaga ni Lord to. Sige, puntahan natin, kuhanin natin. Pag binigay, and yay. Pag hindi, that's fine. I'm here pa rin naman. No? We're okay here. So, yun
yeah.
yung naging mindset namin. So, yun lang yung gusto kong i-input sa mga viewers nyo po na don't lose hope. I mean, keep on praying. And, but,
Correct.
the, by, kaakibat ng prayer is faith. Believe that what you prayed for is He will give it as
Yeah.
long as you have faith. And by having a faith is not like ganyan na. I pray for this, tomorrow I have it. No.
Oo.
Di ba? Di ba sinasabi nga, God never says no. He says always later. Don't be
Yeah.
in a hurry. Have faith. Kasi doon tinitest yung character mo, doon tinicheck yung ano mo. Kaya yun din yung naging ano namin. So, Canada, hindi para sa atin. So, huwag tayong umupo, magmukmok, no. Di ba?
Oo.
Just, divert mo. Kumbaga, as a Christian, you have to divert that. You know that that's not the God's plans for you. Meron pang
Mhm.
mas bagong plan. Well, by that naman talaga ako ang mindset ko na rin naman talaga is US. So pumasok lang yung Canada talaga is, gusto na namin din, makaalis na doon sa init kasi doon, Ma'am Ina, sa ano, sa Dubai. Baka doon nga ako nangitim eh.
Ah,
Joke.
okey talaga.
Pero sobrang init talaga. I mean, hindi ka makakatagal. Well, tumagal kami ng 17 years. I mean,
Oo, oo,
yung
talaga. But I
practically na
heard
hindi ka
very good
makakatagal sa
life.
labas. Like
Oo,
5 minutes sa labas pag during summertime. No. Have to stay inside.
yeah.
Air
Uy, pero I've
conditioning.
heard very nice things about Dubai, Gusto ko nga
Sobra po.
mag-visit dun.
Sobra lahat. The crimes, yung security mo, no, you're
Yung
good.
advancement ng mga
'Yung
'di ba? Yeah.
advancement, exactly. They always want to be number one in
Yeah.
any aspect. Like they want to be number one in what biggest mall they have there, tallest building they have there, fastest internet. They also number one in the whole world.
Mhm,
Guys, yung
mhm.
mga PAM, yung mga ginagawa nila, yung mga structure nila doon. And knowing that there's always a Filipino in all the structures there. There's a
Mm.
Filipino engineers, there's a Filipino architect. We are excelling the whole world. Filipinos are excelling the whole world.
Yeah. Ay, anyway, okay. Oh, Arnold, tignan mo nakakalahating oras na tayo.
Kaya nga, ang bilis, no?
Pagkwentuhan ng mga life story, alam mo napapatagal yung episodes ko, guys, ha? Pero
Kaya
I
nga,
hope
eh.
you are
Kaya
liking
nga.
it.
So, sana ano, di ano pa rin, at least may natutunan yung iba sa atin.
Oo, 'di
Yeah.
ba? Kung hindi meant ang isang bagay pala sa'yo, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Rather, mali, no? Kung hindi mo makuha ang isang bagay, 'di ba? You could be, kunyari in this case, Canada, yung pala you're being prepared for something else, 'di ba? Tignan mo si
Mhm.
Arnold, yan. Happy na sila ngayon sa
Yeah,
Amerika.
we are very happy here and we
Oo
are
nga.
so blessed.
Oh,
And
yun lang
biruin mo,
naman,
dalawang
'no?
country na yung napupuntahan namin. Canada. Kasi kung nag-Canada kami, kung let's say permanent kami doon, as far as I know, even though you're permanent there, you have to apply for your visa to US, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, but parang sinasabi nila, ano na lang din
Puwede na
naman
lang
yun,
parang may mabilis na lang yun. Oo,
formality na lang. Oh, eh, kami
yeah.
here, we don't have any from them now. Just go to the border, go to the border, pay like what, like under $10, show your
Yeah.
IDs and what, go ahead. Just
Alright.
don't do stupid or crazy things there. You're good. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
oh, Arnold, maraming salamat,
Thank you
ha.
so much. Thank you so
Sa
much
mga
for
viewers
having
natin,
me here.
sana may natutunan tayong dito sa ating episode. Again,
Yeah.
Arnold, thank you. Sundan niyo siya sa kanyang YouTube channel na
Please,
Arnold
please. Yes,
Booker. Ayan.
advice.
O,
Hindi ko
sige.
pa
Basta post ka
napapatab.
lang ng post.
Kaya
Dadating
nga
din
eh.
yan.
Yan din yung advice sa akin ni Jedge. Sa
Oo.
post ka lang. Eh, wala. Kulang talaga yung oras natin. But, Miss Ina,
You're a good
maraming salamat.
storyteller, 'di ba? You're a
Yeah.
good speaker. That's why kaya mo 'yan sa YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah. Sana nga. And kung this is not enough time, I mean, I'm always open. Spot Pinoy,
Sure.
baka pwede ako dyan. Mas mahaba sa Spot Pinoy, parang 1 hour, pwede din eh.
Sa Spot Pinoy, sige. Punta tayo sa
Parang
Spot Pinoy.
mahaba. Ay, yung mga, let me, ano lang, say
Oh.
something. Sabi ka sa akin ni Jed, bro, gusto mo, pwede ka bro eh. Gusto mo pa-interview kita sa Spot Pinoy? Sabi ko, parang ang
Yeah.
late ng ano ko, ng YouTube channel ko, nag-start ko. No bro,
No.
kausapin ko si Sir
Oh.
Mark. Si Sir Mark, tsaka si Miss Ina, ang bait nun. Sir Mark, sabi ko, bro, pinapanood ko na yung mga yan. Even hindi pa ako nag-start mag-YouTube, nasa Dubai pa lang ako. Pero di ba nakakahiya? Sige bro, ako magme-message. Sabi, ay, may-message ko si Sir Mark. Ay, ayoko kay Miss Ina, nakakahiya rin. Pero I message Sir
Talaga
Mark.
nga. Oy, Jedge, ikaw talaga.
I
Ay,
message
nako.
siya, no, Sir Mark. Sabi ko, yun nga, nung nag-message ako, nag-comment lang ako sa'yo. Na, kasi dati parang
Oo.
nakikita ko, mag-email ka lang sa ano, sabi mo, what's
Oh,
your
tinan mo,
Canada?
it's true. Mag-email lang kayo
Mag-email
sa
ka
akin.
lang daw eh. Parang nahihiya naman ako. Sabi ko, hindi, comment na lang ako. Comment ako doon sa isang episode. Good thing na very, very thankful na nag-message ka,
Oo.
replied. We
Okay.
appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you din, ano. O, sige na. Dito na natin 'to tapusin, guys.
Thank you so
Sana may
much.
natutunan kayo. I will
Yeah.
end this episode here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you, Arnold.
Thanks. God
Bye!
bless you all.